Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to format an external hard drive in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Format external hard drive Windows 11 from Disk Management. To get started, right-click on the Start menu, click on the Disk Management option. Now right-click on the external hard drive. In the available options, click Format. Here you can adjust the necessary values for formatting. Finally, click OK and confirm this process to apply the format. Chapter 2. Format 1. External hard drive Windows 1 from File Explorer. To get started, open File Explorer, right-click on the hard drive and then select Format. There you can make the necessary adjustments. Then click Start and you must confirm the process. Wait for the format to be applied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Format external hard drive Windows 11 from Terminal. To start, open the terminal as administrator from the Start menu. There, run the diskpart command to access the utility, then list the disks with the listdisk command. Select the disk to format using the Select Disk command, then clean the disk using the Clean command. Finally, create the partition on the disk with the Create Partition Primary command. Next, apply the format with the command you see on the screen indicating the type of file system to use. Now you can use the Exit command to exit the utility and the terminal. After this, right-click on the Start menu and then click on the Disk Management option. Now right-click on the external hard drive. In the available options, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. There you will click on the Add button. Select the desired letter and apply the changes to activate the hard drive. Finally, you can check that the disk is available in File Explorer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.